Hi, welcome to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. Today I am exploring Tridasa Rise Luxury Gated Community Apartments at Nalaganla, Hyderabad. Exclusive 3 and 4 BHK gated community. This project approved by GHMC RERA. Spread across 10.38 acres, 17 floors plus 2 basements, 7 towers, 952 apartments. Exclusive 3 and 4 BHK apartments starting range from 1733 square feet to 2751 square feet. Price per SFT 7200 rupees right now. Whoever interested, please contact us for more details. If you are watching first time AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel, please follow my channel, subscribe, like and share your friends and family members. Thank you. Bye.